guide you'll ever need. Why have you remade copies of it over 17 times in the last 4...
17? Wait, he said trading groups upload the same videos over and over in order to target new beginners to sell courses, products, and other services. 2. Day trading addict 674K subscribers has made over 17 supply and demand trading guides in the last 4 years. God. You running it up. About the same.
Just
What's good with y'all young boys, man? Kevo again, we back in the building with another trading video, you feel me? And today, man, y'all ready from the challenge, y'all ready from the title, y'all know what we got, But before we get to the video, I just want to say that I'm gonna be back consistently posting on my trading channel, man. I just recently got funded with the Breakout Trader. It's a crypto fund. I'm gonna be trading more crypto more than forex and everything else like that. I still might try to get funded with another prop firm, probably funding pips or something like that. But once I start getting these payouts, stuff like that, I'm gonna move away from prop firms. I don't really like prop firms like that. I've been trying to get funded for a minute if you've been following my journey on here. But I finally got funded with a 5K. I have not been trained that good for it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I have not been trained that good. I have been very undisciplined, and you know, trying to get my life afloat. But yeah, I just want to just let y'all know that I finally got funded, man. I'm finna try to get a payout. Well, I'm finna get a payout. I just gotta just tighten up my discipline. I missed a lot of good runs. I'll show y'all on the next video like that. But yeah, y'all read the title already, man. Y'all know what we got. I'm bringing out some new type of content. Let me know if y'all like this type of reaction type content to like stuff like this. But yeah, we got the one video to expose every trading guru and how to spot a fraud. You feel me? So if you a trader and you in the forex community, you already know that like it's a lot of you feel me, fugazi stuff that be going on in the industry like that. That's why a lot of traders try to re-identify themselves in different avenues and different industries such as futures and everything, because forex faces all messed up. But forex can be profitable if you know what you're doing. But let's get to the video. Let's do it.
broker statements, or even just any broker statements over a year. Nobody would buy something from unprofitable traders, and that's why everyone you're thinking of hides their long-term broker statements. From the most obvious red flags to many tactics you're unaware of, this is how you detect a fake trading guru who sells something because they aren't making money from trading. These statements are the only way to prove profitability, because all other tactics can easily be faked or manipulated. You're not going to find this information from whoever you're currently wondering about, and you should now be wondering, what could possibly be the reason that they don't show their true trading performance? This video could end right now, because saying this just ruined almost every single trading influencer. The only thing funnier than a fake guru flaunting wealth is the ones who only do it after they become popular online and have been selling something for a while, which is obviously where the money came from. ICT lived in a cheap townhouse before he ran the mentorships that made him millions, and now flaunts his house, Corvettes, RV, and everything else. If you... Okay,
that's
so next
tough.
one I want...
See, that's tough. See, them course selling. Change your life, my gang. You feel me? My guy.
If you want to see the video he intentionally didn't bring attention to because nothing can be refuted and is a full history of his fraud, click the video in the top right. All of this is just a marketing tactic to get you to buy their various products, and some of them have even been caught renting or leasing these things to give the illusion of wealth. Obviously, this money is not from trading, or they'd show broker statements. Which brings us to selling courses, mentorships, services, private discords, trade alerts, and everything else. Show me someone who claims to be profitable that sells something and has third-party audited broker statements, or even just any broker statements over a year. The only one I know of is Ross Cameron, who deservedly got sued for millions by the US government. For everyone else, this is how they make money. Not from trading. Trade alerts are almost always manipulated to appear like they work, and one tactic is by giving ambiguous multiple profit targets so that after price reverses, they can just lie and say that the highest profit target was hit. Everything you need to know about trading can be done for free, but you think the cost of something equals its value. Yet if that shortcut your brain does that usually works actually applied to trading, and if normal thinking was enough to be profitable, then we'd all be millionaires right now. Watch the video top right to learn more about that. Don't take it from me though. Here's a tweet from ICT himself saying that these people sell something because they can't sustain themselves from trading, even though this is coming from the guy who made several millions from mentorships and still isn't profitable after 25 years of trading. If red flags are warning signs, then the following is like getting fucking run over by a bus. A big red double-decker. How about evidence that isn't up to interpretation, like being caught?
Who is this right here? Hey, y'all let me know who all these traders is, damn it. I think I know two of them. I know Buddy right here, the Asian nigga. And I know ICT himself. But I heard good stuff about ICT. I don't know, but we
copying
finna see. I don't know
videos,
what the fuck these
photoshopping broker
niggas over here
statements,
is.
setting proof of crypto pump and dump videos to
Pump and
unlisted
dump.
instead of private, and then privating them after I expose everything. The only ones who defend these people are the ones who already bought their courses and services and have to search their brain for a reason to justify everything instead of accepting the painful truth that they've spent their time learning from proven frauds. So yeah, a big red flag for an unprofitable fake trading guru is when they've been caught committing fraud. Sort of like how actively running away from a tsunami is a red flag that maybe there's a fucking tsunami. And remember, only the dumb ones get caught. For the Carmen cult members, here's your leader from his verified personal account saying, "Thank you, man, this is gonna help," to a video of himself. Actually, I mean, he was just being wee silly. If you're willing to accept that 99% of trading influencers aren't profitable and that's why they ignore or ban you when you ask for proof of long-term performance, then you're still here. Good job. Damn. Because to everyone else who clicked off after hearing something that conflicted with their beliefs, good luck learning how to trade. A skill that you learn by failing over and over at, and by letting go of.
I'm not gonna lie. That's why I documented my whole trading journey, because he not lying. Trading is one of the hardest industries to be profitable in, long-term longevity. You feel me? Like, that's why I love it so much, because it's changed me and it's making me evolve as a person, because you have to evolve to get the type of profits you want in the market. You got to be patient. You got to be super disciplined. Not even just strategy, like your psychology got to be on point, on tack. Like, you can't think trade by trade. You got to think series of trade. Like, it's a whole now with that game. Ain't gonna back.
A big red flag is a channel that only uploads wins,
know what they be doing.
Extremely rare losses, or only losses that turn into wins. They do this because, as you know by now, they're marketers and not profitable traders. Their YouTube channels are just platforms to sell products. So selective uploads gives beginners the impression that they know what they're doing.
Boot camps. That's new shit they doing now. Now they doing boot camps and all this other ass shit. Like, you feel me? That motherfucker was doing a whole month of boot camp after flipping 100 to a million, all type of shit game. Like, y'all gotta be aware, folks. And I ain't even saying that shit fake, but we gonna dig into that too.
Which brings us to why almost all gurus don't live stream. And they'll give you every excuse possible as to why they don't. Keep in mind they're not doing the alternative of proving competency through broker statements either. Live streaming would break the illusion to their followers. It's more tricky than that. There are various ways to fake live streams, whether it be not making the running account balance very clear, secretly trading on a sim account and pretending it's live, or being like Matt and claiming that you made it all back off stream. Sure you did, instead of just starting a new top-step evaluation since you're not funded and get free resets. Gurus don't live stream because it would show that they don't know how to trade, but live streaming in itself is full of frauds. You have the rare people who make it clear that they're still learning to trade and aren't selling anything, and you have people who use it to funnel people into paid private rooms and other products and services.
I don't feel shit.
Here's a picture of Patrick Wayland accidentally getting caught on stream being on a Top Step trial sim account while pretending to be actually making money back in 2019. Oh, but man, that's 4 years ago. Okay, here's him getting caught again less than a year ago pretending to be making money but being on a sim account. For those going, "Hey, you're with a prop firm too." Yes, I am, but I constantly make it clear that I'm not consistently profitable yet, and I passed an evaluation with Trade Day over the course of a month while live streaming and saying it was an evaluation. I'm currently funded, and maybe I'll fail and have to try again. In fact, it's incredibly likely that that will happen. But as long as I'm consistently profitable within the next 20 years, then I'll have beaten ICT.
He said 20 years? Hell no.
For Carmen Rosado and anyone else that claims to be transparent, all while selectively uploading trades, not consistently live streaming, not showing over a year of broker statements, whether third-party verified or not, and certainly not broker statements back to the date that they first started selling courses on how to trade.
Hey, y'all can read all that, you feel me, on your own time, you feel me? Like, I'm just trying to simp through it, see what I can get, you feel me? But that's wild, though. I mean, like, you gotta expect that, like, not everybody profitable traders, and a lot of niggas be marketing. Like, this is social media. Like, you gotta be real careful who you select of, who you follow out of. I follow out of old heads. I don't really be looking at everybody like that. I try not to.
Is claimed by gurus who are not transparent at all.
It'd be hard.
And I can say that as one of the only sort of large figures in the trading world that live streams their trades, sells nothing, doesn't claim to be profitable, and shows you exactly how much money my channel makes, which you can learn about in the video in the top right. Claiming transparency is a huge red flag because people see it and go, "Oh cool, they're real," without actually thinking to themselves, "Wait a minute, no they're not. They're completely hiding their actual trading performance." As for Carmen, he's very upset that I leaked his paid Discord server member count of almost 14,000 members as of November 2023, equating to over $5 million in revenue from beginners who paid to learn how to draw rectangles on reversals, which of course is all information that can be learned for free and we'd automate if it worked on its own. If it's the only supply and demand trading guide you'll ever need, why have you remade copies of it over 17 times in the last 4
Damn, 17. Wait, he said trading gurus upload the same videos over and over in order to target new beginners to sell courses, products, and other services too. Day trading addict 674K subscribers has made over 17 supply and demand trading guides in the last 4 years. God damn. You running it up. About the same shit.
Just kidding. I'll tell you why. Because not only are you making an absurd amount of money in YouTube ad revenue, but also because you're trying to target a new group of beginners to convert into buying your course. Let some time pass, upload another trading strategy video that only beginners watch, and bang, you've got a whole new audience to sell your course to. Go look at your favorite trading influencer on whatever platform they're on, and take a look at how often they found a brand new strategy or have made identical videos over and over again. Now you know why, in case it wasn't obvious already. Experienced traders don't click on videos like this.
Hey, that's gonna do it for part 1, man. Make sure y'all tune in for part 2. Make sure y'all follow my other channels. Infamous Kevo is my trading channel. Follow this channel. Follow my other channel, the Gilbert Family. That's my vlog channel. Follow that channel. You feel me? If you want to see vlogs, family content, stuff like that. And I also have a reaction channel where I react to like crazy world stuff, cop cam videos, high speed chases, just wild stuff in the world. You feel me? Make sure y'all do that. And let me know if y'all like this video. This is just part 1. I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.